Maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming butit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ng Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming butit.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. Andito po tayo sa ating pangalawang laro ngayong Sabado. It's ACLC-THINK and of course ang ating USI Falcons para sa isang magandang bakbakan po. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Alcanza-Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante.
Ayun na nga at ang magbabakbakan din. For our second game this Saturday, it's the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks and the USI Falcons. Ayun na, magandang bakbakan na naman yung nag-aantay sa atin for this second game dahil lahat naman din ng bakbakan for the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup ay magaganda at talagang top tier basketball actions. Now, let's see kung mapapatunayan bang one win, one loss ng ating USI Falcons or makakakuha ng isang panalo itong ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks for the second game this Saturday. And maya-maya lamang po at magsisimula na tayo. And of course, we're live here inside the the NCF covered court via GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ito nga, Jasper, pinag-uusapan natin yung ating dalawang kupunan. Ang ACLC-THINK Pro, wala pa pong panalo simula nung opening ng ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Kaya ngayon sa pangatlong pagkakataon, kakayanin kaya ng ACLC para matikman ang kanilang unang panalo, or will USI Falcons patuloy sa pagkuha ng kanilang momentum dito? And also, new uniform for our USI Falcons, color green means growth and new beginnings. At ngayon talagang pinapakita ng USI Falcons na talagang itong Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, ito yung pagkakataon nila na talagang ipakita yung galing at husay ng USI Falcons. And now for our first quarter, first ball possession goes to ACLC-THINK Pro. Now let's see here, Razon passes to Gorin. Ngayon, yung mga batang players ng ACLC Hawks nakikisabayan din dito sa mga players just like nung kanilang last game against Cruzeiro Motors, talagang nilaban nung ating mga players like Razon, Guarin, Basagre na talagang napakaganda nung kanilang performance, pero still kulang pa yung suntok dun sa kada putos na ibinibigay dito ng ating ACLC, while USI Falcons, it was a good game against UNC Trifit. Napakaganda po nung ipinakitang performance dito ng USI Falcons, most especially Julark Asibor, na siya yung ating naging best player at that moment. Kaya ngayon para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan, titingnan natin kung gaano ba kaganda yung ibibigay ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And to hear an update sa side muna ng USI Falcons, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Magandang hapon, Tin and Jasper, at magandang hapon din sa ating viewers via OBL's Facebook page and GNN TV 48 Naga. I welcome you to another cold-blooded game, the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks versus the USI Soaring Falcons. The team is feeling pretty fire after their last game, ending it with an 8-point lead. That's why they're planning to keep that streak going. Sabi nga ng kanilang school, it is onward, forward, USI, onto glory and fame. That's why let's expect them to analyze their opponent's movements during the first few minutes of the set. Kasi di pa naman natin alam kung anong klaseng opensa pa ba ang ibibigay ng kalaban. Kaya Tin and Jasper, this is Shulomar Zaiminiano from the side of the USI Falcons, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And as we can see, nakapuntos na nga dito ang ating USI Falcons with Jolark Asibor nagmamadali to get that ball and out of bounds as the USI Falcons retains the ball possession. Napakagandang paunang puntos sa dalawang teams na ito. So let's see, USI Falcons. Now, here comes Russell Berse. Ayon. Let's call on our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Casey, take it away.
Marhay na aldaw, Bicolandia. We are coming to you live at the NCF covered court for another thrilling showdown brought to you by GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is your courtside reporter, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you the hottest on the side of ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. It's the second game of the day, ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks versus USI Falcons. The THINK Pro Hawks entering this matchup with 0 wins and 2 losses, making them hungry for their first victory in the league. Kanina nga ay nakausap ko si Jade Guarin ng THINK Pro Hawks, and he emphasized the importance of self-discipline and building better team chemistry to turn the tide in their favor. He also mentioned that they aim to match the Falcons' eagerness and intensity on the court, knowing that their opponents thrive on hustle and determination. But will the THINK Pro Hawks finally secure their win, or will the USI Falcons continue to soar? Stay tuned as we bring you all the action only here on Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025. Ano, maurag ka? Oragon! That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, dito sa side ng ating ACLC-THINK Pro, talagang Gorin, isa dito sa nakikisabayan sa mga malalaking players ng ibang kupunan. Talagang nabibigyan niya ng magandang laro dito sa side ng ACLC, but at the same time, some of the players of ACLC-THINK Pro kailangan din mag-step up, knowing na sila yung pinakabatang team dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. But at the same time, maliliksi kasi ito. Like Basagre, we have Razon na talagang napakaganda ng mga pasok nila sa loob at di alintana yung malalaking gwardya. But still, they need to step up. At nasabi nga dito ni Guarin na isa sa talagang gagawa nilang paraan is yung kanilang team chemistry. Knowing na yung mga batang players ng ACLC magkakasama na sila during their collegiate league And ngayon makakasama nila yung mga veterano sa kanilang team. So kailangan talaga magkaroon ng magandang chemistry dito sa side ng ACLC-THINK Pro. And dito sa ating USI Falcons, nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, pero doon sa depensa at opensa, andoon na agad, nakikita na natin agad dito sa side ng Falcons. But still, meron pang i-level up para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. So let's see kung ano bang ipapakita dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro and USI Falcons to get the win this afternoon. 6 minutes and 47 seconds sa ating first quarter. And ACLC thinking of new strategies here. Kung anong gagawin nila dito, knowing they have a disadvantage on height. So yung kailangang pag-igihan nila dito is yung liksi. Paano nila gagamitin yung kanilang mga maliliit na players for the offense and veteran players for the defense here.
Now let's see. Ball possession ngayon dito ng USI Falcons with Asibor for that sideline inbound. And now Posada. Now jersey number 10. 3 points, nothing but the net. Posada by the USI Falcons. And now Guarin nagdadala ng bola to Sandigan on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro. And now Razon to Guarin. Pull-up jumper was good on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. And now Posada naman magdadala ngayon ng bola on the side of the USI Falcons. And now Jolark Asibor to Posada. Napakabilis ni Posada. Dalawang bantay hindi alintana for Quijano.
Pero look at the difference, Jasper, nung mga dalawang naunang laro dito ng ACLC Hawks kung saan nakalaban na nila yung JB Hart as well as Crescido Motors na malalaking tao, eksperyensyadong mga players. But now, yung ating line-up sa side ng ACLC Hawks, makikita natin yung ating mga batang mga players kasi talagang nakikisabayan din sila dito sa USI Falcons. So merong pagbabago doon sa loob ng gameplay ng ACLC Hawks. So let's see kung ito ba maging effective sa kanilang kupunan para mas mapalapit nila yung puntos ng ACLC-THINK Pro against USI Falcons. Now, let's see here as this is their ball possession. Razon, 18 seconds to shoot here. Razon, nahanap dito ng papasahan. Recorded. Asibor ngayon, binabantayan dyan. But a whistled foul. It will stay sa side ng ACLC-THINK Pro.
Matatawagan dito ng pushing foul jersey number 33 of the USI Falcons. That is Baita. And now Sandigan for that sideline inbound. Jersey number 12 swings it to Razon for 3. And that's good. Nothing but the net. What a shot by Razon. Grabe.
Ito yung hinihintay ng ACLC-THINK Pro. A point conversion for their side pero di papahuli. Itong si Posada na talagang umaarangkada sa first quarter for USI Falcons. Now, that's a good second chance point para dito kay jersey number 12, Basagre.
And now Asibor nagdadala ng bola here for the USI Falcons. Now to Quijano, well guarded by Razon. Quijano. Now to Posada for 3 and nothing but the net for Posada. Nakakagulat naman yun. Pakakuha niya ng bola tin. Diretso na dun sa basket. And a clean basket, clean 3 for Posada. And here comes Razon. No good on that shot.
Now, as we're talking about Posada of USI Falcons, dito sa kalahati ng ating first quarter, that 13 points, yung ibang puntos dyan, si Posada yung gumawa. From 3-pointer, inside shoot, talagang napakaganda nung inumpisahang momentum dito ni Posada. So let's see if he will be consistent here with the help of the rest of the players of USI Falcons. Now, a good defense for ACLC-THINK Pro.
Another foul for jersey number 33. That is his second personal foul for our first quarter. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining.
No.
And 4-point lead ang hawak dito ngayon ang ating USA Falcons with Basagre for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Di diretso Basagre. Makakasalubong niya dyan si Posada. And a penalty na agad on the side of the USA Falcons dito sa ating first quarter. 2 shots ang igagawa dito kay Basagre on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks with 4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. And no good on that first shot by Basagre.
Yes, as we continue our first quarter, we would like to thank our sponsors. We have MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, Taylor Swift, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, DELIGOLD Philippines at Elavil Tour Philippines Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. Now, 4 minutes and 22. USI Falcons with that 4-point lead. Asibor, no good. Now, offensive rebound. Doloso, 13 to shoot here. Posada again with the ball, loses it. Now, Basagre dire-diretso for a fast break. And that is brought to you by DELIGOLD Philippines.
Libreng-libre Basagre. And a quick shoutout here to Angelica Solis na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Happy viewing. Now, ganun that 3-point attempt by Doloso. And now Doloso once again for the USA Falcons. A foul coming from jersey number 10 Razon of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating USA Falcons.
At ngayon, 13-11. Ganito din yung laro ng ACLC-THINK Pro against Corsido Motors. Napakaganda nung kanilang first quarter. But at the same time, parang nabitawan nila yung kanilang game momentum during the second half of the game. So let's see kung ganito pa rin ba yung mangyayari against USI Falcons. So ACLC-THINK Pro needs consistency right now. Chemistry sa kanilang mga players. And of course, match the energy ng kanilang kalaban dito. So kapag pumupuntos sa kabila, kailangan pumuntos din dito sa side ng ACLC. But now, USI Falcons umaarangkada din dito. Talagang pinangungunahan dyan ni Posada. But now let's see here, Doloso, 15 seconds to shoot. Passes to Asibor. Nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng ACLC. Posada one more time. And Posada still giving USI Falcons a great game here. Now Vargas, one of the veterans sa side ng ACLC, passes here to jersey number 3, no good. One more time, this time a whistled foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 2 ng USI Falcons na sumadsad. And Suarez will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Now, ACLC, kahit sa mga free throws, kailangan bumawi nila dito dahil 4 yung kanilang hinahabol against USI. So Suarez for his second free throw, let's see. And also, we would like to thank our live audience dito sa loob ng NCF covered court na kahit medyo madilim sa labas at bumabadyang umulan, andito pa rin para suportahan yung kanilang mga teams na talagang gustong suportahan. Now, Asibor with that 3, no good. Now an opportunity for ACLC-THINK Pro here. Remaining 2 minutes and 27. Rempilio, heavily guarded, passes to Suarez. 15 to shoot here. Heavily guarded. And no good para dyan sa attempt ng ACLC. Now USI on the run. Doloso passes to Quijano for the fadeaway, no good. Ngayon yung mga lost opportunity dito ng USI Falcons, kailangan gawan ng THINK Pro para makakuha ng magandang puntos dito. As we can see right now, USI Falcons on the penalty, 15-11. And jersey number 5 Vargas. Nandyan sa free throw line. And also Vargas, napakaganda nung performance niya from game number 1 to game number 2. But at the same time, yung kailangan nila kasi talaga is maglaro sila as a team. Ibigay nila yung lahat as a team. Hindi lang pwedeng isa yung magtrabaho para sa ACLC-THINK Pro.
Now, Vargas for his second attempt. No good on that shot. And the USA Falcons secured that defensive rebound. Doloso, no good on that triple shot attempt. Now jersey number 30, Rempilio of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks on the outside, looking for a good opportunity. Now, jersey number 3, but still coming from Doloso. Diretso ngayon Doloso for the USA Falcons, 2 points. On the side of the USA Falcons, grabe, napakagandang performance ang pinapakita dito. Agad naman ditong masasagot yan ni Vargas ng isang mid-range jumper.
Now, yung ACLC hindi din na pag-iiwanan sa puntos na ginagawa ng USA Falcons. So every ball possession napaka-importante para sa ACLC-THINK Pro, but an offensive foul called to Rempilio. So may pagkakataon dito ang USA Falcons para mas palakihin pa yung kalamangan na hawak nila against ACLC. 57 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Now, USA Falcons passes to Doloso. Now Doloso goes inside, but a whistled foul. And he will be on that free throw line. Parehong kupunan na po, nasa penalty na dito sa ating remaining 45 seconds of the first quarter. Now Poon and Lovido Shaksen para dito sa ACLC-THINK Pro.
45 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now let's see if Doloso can get this. And Doloso getting his first attempt with 18-13 ang ating running score. 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon dito ng ating USA Falcons. And a quick shoutout here to Terence Bronzal, Angelica Solis, Yoni Valderas. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now Doloso, no good on that pull-up jumper. But here comes jersey number 0, Leovido, to secure that defensive rebound. And now Vargas, grabe, what an effort on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Kitang-kita naman natin yung effort na talagang kailangan nilang gawin to get that first win for our OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. And now Vargas once again for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Diretso, but this time no good on his shot. And the USA Falcons on the offense now. No good on that triple. And that's the end of our first quarter. 5-point lead ng ating USA Falcons. And don't go away because we'll be right back after this short commercial break. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapeo ng Oragon, hanggang sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapeo ng Oragon.
And we are back for our second quarter of ACLC-THINK Pro and USA Falcons matchup. nagtapos po yung ating first quarter 2015 in favor of USI Falcons. Now, balikan lang natin yung naging performance ng ating dalawang kupunan during that first quarter. Sa side ng USI Falcons, andyan si Pusada. Nagpaulan ng magagandang puntos dito for Falcons. And now, hindi siya pumasok dito sa ating second quarter. But still, the rest of the players of USI Falcons napakaganda nung kanilang performance na ipinapakita. Sa side naman ng ACLC-THINK Pro, of course, lahat sila umaarangkada dito. Most especially Vargas, na talagang maganda yung ipinapakita niya dito. Consistent siya doon sa kanyang gameplay since game number 1 dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. So for our second quarter, titignan natin kung anong gagawing adjustment dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro to lessen that gap of USI Falcons. Because as we can see right now, kung kanina 5 puntos lang yung hinahabol dito ng ACLC, ngayon naitaas na po sa 8. So now, this is the ball possession of ACLC-THINK Pro. Vargas with 12 seconds to shoot here. Let's see, Vargas tries and no good, but it was a foul there.
Almost getting that 3-point play opportunity by Vargas on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Napakagandang bawi naman yung pinapakita dito ng ACLC. Basket count on that first attempt by Vargas with 23-16. 8 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. Now Vargas getting his 2 free throws, and timeout has been called on the side of the USI Falcons courtesy of Coach Paps. Mukhang wala ngayon 10 si Coach Tupe of the USI Falcons, and this time let's hear an update from our courtside reporter KC on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. KC, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, we are now on the second quarter of this game at nagpakitang gilas nga agad itong USI Falcons laban sa THINK Pro Hawks. Ngunit hindi naman basta-basta pumayag ang THINK Pro Hawks dahil sila ay determinadong sabayan ang gameplay ng kanilang kalaban. Speaking of that, Coach JP advised the team to play smarter pagdating sa court to ensure an efficient play on their team. The first quarter ended with the Falcons having the... But let's kung paano ito babawiin ng THINK Pro Hawks ngayong second quarter. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan, talagang determinado pa rin hanggang ngayon itong ACLC-THINK Pro dahil may laban na. Talagang andun pa rin yung passion to play, to fight against USI Falcons, itong ACLC-THINK Pro. So let's see if yung gameplay ba na ipinano dito sa coaching staff ng ACLC talagang magagawa nilang paraan para ma-execute and to lessen that gap. But now as we can see, Poon with that ball tries, and that's good. And now, paunti-unti nang ibinababa ng ACLC itong kalamang hawak ng USI Falcons. Pero nasabi mo nga kanina, Jasper, wala dito si Coach Tope sa side ng USI Falcons. Pero up until now, andun pa rin yung gameplay na ipinapakita ng Falcons. And this second quarter, talagang nasa kanila pa rin yung kanilang momentum. So meron bang changes na ginawa itong sa side ng USI Falcons? At para malaman yan, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong update natin?
Maraming salamat, Jasper and Tin. Here we are at the beginning of the second quarter. Hindi masyadong nagkakalayo ang points ng dalawang team na to. That's why the second quarter nga, we have the key player, jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso inside the hard court. We also have jersey number 3, Julark Asibor. Two of these wonderful players who initiate a crucial pick and roll kind of thing. So we are about to witness a whole lot of heat and a different kind of gameplay sa loob ng court. Let's watch kung ano bang gagawin ng ating USI Falcons. But from what I know, and as Coach mentioned, they're currently initiating a man-to-man zone defense. Kaya naman, Ten and Jasper, balik muna sa inyo. This is all the updates I have for now from the side of the USI Falcons.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And let's see kung makakabawi nga dito itong ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks sa magandang depensa at opensa na pinapakita ng ating USI Falcons with jersey number 3 coming short on that shot. But here comes Borse for the USI Falcons. Didn't get that shot, but here is jersey number 13 for that follow-up shot. Lock getting that 2 points. Now Vargas for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks to jersey number 3. What a shot naman dito for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Tolosa.
And now, si Burse nga yung nag-step up during that matchup against UNC Trifit. Talagang napakaganda nung kanyang naging performance dyan. And now, nararamdaman natin ulit yung laro dito ni Burse as we continue this second quarter. But at the same time, yung ACLC-THINK Pro, as we can see, talagang hindi nila hinahayaan na tumaas yung kalamangan na kailangan nilang habulin against USI Falcons. So let's see here as this is their ball possession. Poon, 13 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Now Poon tries. And that's good. Itong si Poon, tahimik lang pero grabe kung pumunta sa side ng ACLC. So they need to maximize all their players here. 3-point lead of USI Falcons. Lock. Pass here to Del Rosario. No good. An opportunity arises for ACLC to lessen that gap. 19 to shoot here. Poon again with that ball. Mid-range jumper. And Poon making an exclamation point for ACLC dito sa ating second quarter. Dahil isang puntos na lamang yung hawak dito ng USI Falcons. And now they are really matching the energy of Falcons here. Let's see. Lock for a 3-pointer. No good. But they whistled foul.
Basket count. Sabayan pa yan ng foul 10. And a 3-point play opportunity here for Del Rosario on the side of the USI Falcons. Extending their lead to 3 points and the chance here to extend to 4 points. Ayan, 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining sa ating first half. So let's see if Del Rosario can get this 3-point play opportunity. Now got on that shot and here comes jersey number 14 Guarin to secure that defensive rebound. Now jersey number 0 naman of the ACLC Hawks magtatawid ngayon ng bola. Lovido. Now, jersey number 29, Di Diretso. But picks jersey number 5, Vargas, to take that shot. Napakagandang assist naman doon. Now, and that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. Now, here comes the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks once again. Pero still coming from Burse. And now, another assist of the game. From Asiborto Doloso, once again brought to us by Mariano Optical. Napakagandang assist. Yun yung kailangan itong dalawang teams na ito, Tin. Teamwork, magtulungan sa loob ng hardcore to get that win dito sa ating second game ngayong Saturday. Now, Poon for the ACLC-THINK Pro. Mid-range jumper. No good on that shot. But 2 shots. 2 shots ang ibibigay dito. After that foul committed by Del Rosario, jersey number 25 of the USA Falcons. 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating first half. With Guarin standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
Now, Guarin nakikisabayan din dito doon sa malalaking players ng mga kupunan dito. So malaki yung kanyang ambag sa depensa ng ACLC-THINK Pro. So a very vital player of this team. And now 31-29 on our scoreboard. 2 puntos na lamang. At napakaganda nitong ating kalahatian ng second quarter dahil umuulan tayo ng magagandang offensa as well as defense. So let's see here if USI Falcons, 1 puntos na lamang yung kanilang hawak dito ang kalamangan. Posada again, nasa loob ng US Falcons. And as we can see, a three-pointer from the star player of USI Falcons, Asibor, brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Ayan na. Instant replay tayo dun sa three-pointer ni Asibor. Napakaganda nung puntos na yon. Now, back to 4-point lead of USI Falcons.
Quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Joseph Quintana, Layar Baldosa, Frank Quintana, and Juni Quintana na nanunood sa ating live coverage via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Now, no good on that shot, but here comes Doloso for that follow-up shot. 2 points for the USI Falcons. Now, Padayaw on the corner. And the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks with jersey number 29, Padayaw, for that sideline inbound. And now, to Guarin. Now, Guarin back to Padayaw on the outside, looking for a good opportunity here with 10 seconds to shoot. And almost losing that ball. Natuluyan na wala dun yung bola sa ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. And now, Burse. Ayun na. At matatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 10, Razon. And it's the same ball possession for the USI Falcons. Timeout has been called on the side of the USI Falcons. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments since 6 na puntos yung lamang nila dito. How do they will maintain and sustain their lead kontra dito sa ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. And a quick shout out or thanks to our major sponsors. We have the Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, Tree and Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga and Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, and MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. I mean, big thanks to our sponsors din for OVL Elavil Cup Season 1.
Now, that ball possession stays sa side ng USI Falcons. At yun, mukhang bumitaw muli itong ACLC-THINK Pro doon sa kanilang magandang momentum dahil 6 na puntos yung nailamang ulit dito ng USI Falcons. But 9 seconds to shoot here. Posada, no good. Now, ACLC nagmamadali dito. But Sagre loses that ball. An opportunity for Falcons here. Asibor, papasok sa loob. Ipapasa kay Doloso. Now, napakaganda talaga ng team up ni Asibor and Doloso. 2 of the star players of USI Falcons teaming up for a good gameplay. Now, THINK Pro, Razon, no good, but a whistled foul. 38-30. 8-point lead of USI Falcons. Now, Ciruelos, 2 minutes and 43. Passes to Posada. Now, Falcons on the offense. Ciruelos, heavily guarded. But a long pass. Guarin was there to snatch that ball. Mase.
Missed opportunity here for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Let's take a look once again, 10. Ayun na nga, out of bounds dito by Ciruelos. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline. And the timeout has been called on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Consumed timeout na for both of these teams. And this would be their last timeout for our first half. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. So let's see kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito para makabawi itong ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Kung paiigtingin ba nila yung kanilang depensa or pati yung kanilang opensa, or other strategy naman yung gagawin nila dito.
Ayan, of course, ACLC, medyo disadvantage sa kanila doon sa side ng defense because of the players of USI Falcons. But they need to maximize yung space sa loob ng court. So defense is very important for ACLC-THINK Pro right now. Also sa side din ng USI Falcons, even though nasa kanila yung 8 puntos na kalamangan, they still need to work on their defense here. Because the rest of the players of ACLC Hawks is a shooter. Maximizing the key players here for both teams. Now Razon, it was a foul.
Natatawagan siya ng foul. Jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor of the USI Falcons. 15 seconds to shoot here for the THINK Pro Hawks. Now let's see. Razon, long 3. No good on that shot. Now Burse for that defensive rebound. Doloso. Posada. Now to Ceruelos. Asibor almost getting that 3-point shot. Ayun na, tinutuon niya na, but no good on that shot. Kanina fake lang yun eh. Now Ceruelos to Asibor, di diretso. What a chemistry for Asibor and Doloso. Another assist of the game brought to us by Mariano. Optical, napakagandang chemistry din. Asibor and Doloso for the USI Falcons. Napakagandang conversion of points. But no good on that 3-point shot by jersey number 17 of the THINK Pro. Doloso to Asibor once again. Ayun na yung sinasabi kong chemistry tin. Kung hindi si Doloso yung makakapuntos, it will be Asibor. Grabe. Napakagandang chemistry talaga for the Falcons. And now jersey number 30, Rempilio. Di diretso. But still coming from Ceruelos. Now Asibor. Another shot for Asibor. Extending their lead to 14 points. Grabe, napakalaki niyan 10 for our first half. Guarin with a minute remaining sa ating first half. Now jersey number 17.
Now ACLC, a snatch coming from USI Falcons. But a traveling violation, a good cut doon sa sunod-sunod tagpagpuntos ng USI Falcons. And kanina pa natin, Jasper, pinag-uusapan yung chemistry dito ng players ng USI Falcons like Asibor and Doloso na kanina pa tayong binibigyan ng magandang assist, chemistry, and communication sa side ng USI Falcons. And this is what ACLC-THINK Pro needs right now because 34 seconds remaining and a big 14-point lead. This is the biggest gap of USI Falcons for this matchup. So kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan na bago matapos itong first half, magawa nila ng paraan. But a lot of turnovers as we are looking right now. And Asibor with that fast break brought to you by DELIGOLD Philippines. So now 6 seconds remaining and USI Falcons, Posada for that last point conversion. And this halftime is brought to you by KINGPIN CAMSUR. At napaka-intense na po ng ating laban, 18-point lead of USI Falcons. Magbabalik po kami for our second half. We still have 4 seconds.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat
And we are back for our second half of this beautiful matchup of USI Falcons and ACLC-THINK Pro. And as we can see right now, 48-30, a very big gap of USI Falcons against ACLC. Talagang nakita natin during that halftime, nung ating first half rather, USI Falcons nagpaulan ng napakaganda mga puntos dito. Andyan si Napusada, the team up of Asibor and Doloso na nakita natin during that last minutes of second quarter. And sa side naman ng ACLC-THINK Pro, nakuha na sana nila yung magandang momentum dito, but at the same time nabitawan nila ulit. So they need to rebuild that connection of the players to get again or to lessen that gap of USI Falcons. Now, Falcons on the offense here, pinangahawakan yung 16-point lead nila dito, but a traveling violation committed by Asibor. So an opportunity kailangan ng gawa ng paraan dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro dahil nagkakaroon talaga sila ng problema during second half of the game. Maganda yung ipinapakita nila during first half, pero naipag-iiwanan sila doon sa second half na walang consistency na nangyayari dito sa side ng ACLC. At yun yung kanilang kailangan pagtrabahuhan because all of the teams of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup talagang nag-step up sa kanilang mga laro dito. Now, USI Falcons with that rebound. An opportunity here, Asibor. 19 to shoot here. Passes to Ceruelos. Ceruelos heavily guarded. Asibor, long three. No good. Vargas was there for that rebound. Rempilio. A whistled foul. And Falcons still having a big momentum here. So anong gagawin nila para mas mapanghawakan pa yung malaking kalamangan nila ngayon dito and to really snatch this win? So to hear an update sa side ng USI Falcons, we have Zai. Hi Zai, anong update sa side ng Falcons?
Tin and Jasper, here we are at the most nerve-wracking quarter. So the Falcons managed to largen the gap by, let's say, around 18 or 20, but their overall energy today is beyond measurable. Their defenses were much more impressive. Their performance was much more impressive compared to the second quarter. Napakaganda nga ng plays ng Falcons since they are really processing their coach's advice and listening to his advice and also his plans in terms of their planning sa loob ng court. Kaya naman, Tin and Jasper, balik muna sa inyo at medyo wala na akong masabi sa mga kaganapan dito.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. Napakagandang performance yung pinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. Talaga namang wala tayong masabitin dun sa kanilang commendable effort, commendable performance. But this time, hindi rin basta-bastang nagpapabaya na lang itong ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. They are still doing their best to cope up dito sa ating third quarter. Now, on the other side, we have the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Nandiyan na ng kanilang courtside reporter na si Casey to give us an update. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Jasper, the THINK Pro Hawks are really determined to turn the tide for this game. Nakita naman natin kung paano nagpakitang gilas si jersey number 1 Lance Poon ng Think Pro Hawks during the second quarter, which greatly helped in closing the gap in their scores. But it seems like the team have lost their rhythm on the last minutes of the previous quarter as the Falcons established a significant lead. For this quarter, the team is looking forward to lessen their turnovers to prevent their opponent from scoring. Coach JP also reminded the team to communicate inside the court to ensure a swift gameplay on their team. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Tracy. Ayan nga, during that last minutes of second quarter, doon na natin nakita yung kawalan ng magandang connection nito mga players ng ACLC-THINK Pro, and now they are still redeeming themselves dito sa ating pangatlong quarter against USI Falcons. So let's see if maging effective ba yung gagawing gameplay dito, game plan of ACLC-THINK Pro to lessen that gap, and also kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan dito yung kanilang depensa. Hindi dapat makalusot dito yung mga players ng USI Falcons, and as we can see right now, they only have 3 seconds to shoot here. Falcons, anong gagawin dito? And Doloso, last second shot para dito sa Falcons.
Saktong-sakto din yung tira doon ni Doloso as the shot clock expires. And now Vargas for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Now jersey number 30 Rempilio swings it to Pasagre, and now Poon, didiretso ngayon Poon, mid-range jumper, no good on that shot, but here comes Doloso to Carmelo Grabata. Now Doloso once again, no good on that shot. Grabe, napagandang palitan dito ng ball possession, but Basagre, grabe yun, no? Almost getting that 3-point play opportunity. 2 shots ang igagawa dito kay Basagre of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. 53-36 ang ating score dito. Lamang po ang ating USI Falcons. Now Basagre getting that first attempt.
At medyo tahimik din dito si Basagre during that first half sa side ng ACLC-THINK Pro, knowing that he is their top scorer. So he needs to step up right now because 6 minutes and 14 na lamang natitira sa ating third quarter. At medyo mahihirapan pa sila kung sa fourth quarter pa sila talagang aarangkada. But now, as we can see, USI Falcons still on their spirit of the game as Asibor releases a 3. Brought to you by GILMAR CASA DESCANSO. And Falcons adjusting and widening that gap against ACLC-THINK Pro. Now, one more time for Falcons here. Grabata naman ngayon. Papasok sa loob. But a good defense for ACLC. A turnover now. At gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. We have Sportswear, Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, and Pin Cafe. Maraming salamat po. Now, ACLC on the offense. Still a big gap yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Poon to jersey number 28. Now tries, and that is a good assist coming from Tolosa.
Now, USI Falcons lock on the outside, looking for a good opportunity here. Doloso. Now, to Burse. Back to Doloso. Fires for 3. No good on that shot. In and out ball. Now, here comes Vargas to secure that defensive rebound. To Rempilio naman ngayon ang titira. And 2 points for the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. 42-56 ang ating score dito sa ating third quarter with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Now, Quijano naman ngayon for the USI Falcons. Lock to Burse. Libreng-libre on the corner. No good on that shot. Pero, may pagbawi dito. Si Doloso. No good on that 2-point shot. Pero 2 free throws naman ang igagawa dito kay Doloso. Napakagandang performance pa rin yung pinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. kontra dito sa ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Very determined USI Falcons to secure their second win for the OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, nakikita rin natin yung determinasyon nitong ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks na makabawi at makuha yung kanilang unang panalo for this season. And now, it's the ball possession of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks with Rempilio.
Now, Hawks heavily guarded by Asibor here. Rempilio almost loses it, but Vargas was there. 9 seconds to shoot here. Pun, gagawa ng paraan, and they get it.
What a shot by Pun on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Maganda rin yung chemistry nitong si Pun and Basagre on the side of the THINK Pro, but mas maganda yung chemistry nakikita natin on the side of the Falcons, lalong-lalo na kay Doloso at kay Asibor. And now Pun for 3. No good on that shot.
But as we can see right now, Borose is down here. And we only have 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 44-57. A 13-point lead of USI Falcons against ACLC-THINK Pro. So, Borose, kailangan muna magpahinga dito sa side ng Falcons. And he still did a great job here defending and giving good points for USI Falcons. So big contribution para dito sa kanyang kupunan. Now, 57-44. Mahaba-haba po ang ating oras, but ACLC kailangan nang gumawa ng paraan para bawasan pa yung kalamangan na ginagawa ngayon ng Falcons. Lock passes here to Quijano, back to Lock. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now Asibor to Quijano inside. But a traveling violation, a lost opportunity. Sayang para dito sa Falcons.
Hatid pa rin sa atin yan 10 ng Naga yun, Shovel and Tours. Now 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Posada, libreng-libre, an easy shot, fast break brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. Napakagandang shot by Posada of the USA Falcons. Now, Arroyo. Now, Tolosa of the THINK Pro Hawks on the offense, but another still. Lock. Posada na naman ang pupuntos dito for the USA Falcons. Grabe. Back-to-back scores, back-to-back points by Posada for the USA Falcons. Napakagandang performance ang pinapakita dito ni Posada. And also his teammates, Vargas for 3. No good on that shot. But Posada again for that defensive rebound. And now Asibor naman from Doloso once again. Another good chemistry naman dito for Asibor and Doloso. Patuloy na pag-arangkada ng kanilang puntos kontra dito sa ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Now Vargas securing that ball. Now another steal. Grabe. Making the USA Falcons unstoppable dito sa ating third quarter with 2 minutes remaining. Napakagandang performance din. Back-to-back steals, back-to-back conversion of points for the USA Falcons. Now, THINK Pro Hawks naman, anong gagawin nila dito?
At this point, yung ACLC kailangan nang gumawa ng paraan because another turnover is still here. Asibor getting that basket. At isa pa sa maganda dito sa USI Falcons, lahat ng players nila nagsi-step up. Ang ganda ng performance sa pinapakita nila every game. Andyan yung chemistry ng USI Falcons. Kaya naman ngayon, napakalaki ng kalamangan yung nagawa ng USI Falcons. And ACLC-THINK Pro, nandito na sila sa point na kailangan nilang mas pag-igihan yung kanilang depensa. All out kung all out yung kailangan gawin nila dito. Because grabe, lost opportunities marami na para dito sa ACLC-THINK Pro na dapat meron silang puntos, but USI Falcons dominating this quarter and a minute and 9 remaining. But a buzzer beater para dito kay Lovido, and that's what ACLC-THINK Pro needs right now, but still a big gap to work on para dito sa ating ACLC. Now no good on that attempt sa side ng USI Falcons.
20 big points ang kailangang habulin dito ng ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks for our third quarter with 42 seconds remaining. And now jersey number 8, another steal, lock, dire-diretso na. What a fast break opportunity brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. Napakagandang highlights yun din for this matchup. Now Vargas for the THINK Pro Hawks naman, almost a steal again. But jersey number 29, no good on that three-pointer. Posada, but Vargas makakakuha dyan ng 3-point play opportunity. Let's take a look once again. After that shot by Vargas, kahit siya di makapaniwalang nagawa niya yung 3-point play opportunity here for Vargas. And that instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline. Maraming salamat po sa ating butihing sponsors.
Now a big 20-point lead of USI Falcons down to 19. And with this remaining 10 seconds, domination of USI Falcons for our third quarter. Never before seen yung ating mga laro ditong ipinapakita ng USI Falcons. Now, let's take a look at it again. Doon sa foul na naitawag dito, brought to us by Safe Gasoline. We only have 3 seconds remaining and sumadsad 2 free throws. No good on that first free throw. And with our next quarter, the last quarter of this matchup, ACLC-THINK Pro, kailangan na talagang mag-step up. Kanina pa natin sinasabi kasi nabibitawan nung ACLC yung kanilang consistency dito. And USI Falcons taking advantage of that. And that's the end of our quarter. We will be back for our fourth and last quarter of this matchup, brought to us by 3N Bakery.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo.
And we are back for our fourth and last quarter. Last 10 minutes for this both teams para mas maipakita pa yung kanilang laro. And as we can see, 70-50 on our scoreboard. And USI Falcons work on that during the third quarter of this matchup. Talagang nakita natin yung mga steals na ginawa nila dito. Fast breaks, a lot of outside shooting, good chemistry sa kanilang mga players. And now, still, dito sa ating last quarter, they are dominating this. An early 4 points for USI Falcons and ACLC-THINK Pro. Medyo mahihirapan dito kasi kahit mag-step up sila sa kanilang mga depensa, USI Falcons, ganun din yung gagawin. So they are just matching the energy of ACLC-THINK Pro right now. Now with 14 seconds to shoot here, ACLC-THINK Pro, Bon releases a 3, denied here. And a whistled foul with 5 seconds to shoot.
Now let's see. It's the ball possession here of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. With jersey number 3, basket count, sabayan pa yan ng foul. What a shot here by Tolosa of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. 24 big points yung kailangan nilang habulin dito for our 4th and final quarter to get that first win dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. Now to hear an update on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks, let's call on our courtside reporter KC. Take it away.
Tin and Jasper, lumobo pa nga ang kalamangan ng Falcons as the game progresses, but the THINK Pro Hawks will continue to push until the very last second of this game. Kailangan na lamang ng team ng maayos na communication sa loob ng court upang maging maganda ang takbo ng laro sa kanila. Natambakan man ngunit mahaba pa ang 4th quarter, kaya naman sabay-sabay nating antabayanan kung sino ang magwawagi sa labanang ito only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan, communication yung baon dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro, knowing that USI FALCONS having a great chemistry sa loob ng court. So they really need to work on that with this 8 minutes and 16 seconds, 74-53. Still a long run for these two teams, but as we can see with this gameplay of USI FALCONS, talagang dire-diretso yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. But as we can see right now, bumabawi itong ACLC-THINK Pro, and paunti-unti din nilang binabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng USI FALCONS. But this is not enough. So they need to work more sa kanilang laban dito. And to hear an update sa side ng USI FALCONS kung paano pa nila gagawin itong remaining minutes of our 4th quarter, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Jasper and Tin, nagbabalik na nga ako for the last quarter. Huwag kayong mag-alala because I'll give you a better report than the first one since nakakain na ako. But kidding aside, we have already started the 4th quarter and we have an injured player. Here we have from the side of the USI FALCONS, jersey number 18, Burse, with a sprained on her, or should I say with a sprain on his right ankle. But the Falcons continue to spread their wings and they tend to take a flight further and further into the skies. That's all the updates I have for now. Jasper and Tin, ano bang masasabi nyo sa currently na nangyayari sa loob ng court?
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the USI FALCONS. Akala ko ba tinakay na? Char. And now, and on the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks with Vargas for that baseline inbound, Tolosa. Now, still coming from the USA FALCONS lock naman ngayon. Now, no good on that shot by Grabata. For the 3rd follow-up shot, wala. Pero this time, sumadsad. Wala pa rin for the USA FALCONS. Magandang depensa yung nakikita natin ngayon, Tin. On the side of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. Now, Vargas. For the ACLC-THINK Pro, the same ball possession dito. Now, Vargas for that sideline inbound. 6 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Now, Tolosa. No good on that shot. But Del Rosario is there to secure that defensive rebound for the Falcons. No good on that fadeaway shot. Sumadsad. But a foul coming from jersey number 3, Tolosa. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining, Tin, for our 4th and final quarter.
Now, we're approaching the halftime or the half of this last quarter. And as we can see, USI Falcons consistently giving us a good match here sa ating last quarter. From their offense to defense, so makikita talaga natin yung kanilang magandang communication dito na kulang sa side ng ACLC-THINK Pro. Hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang point conversion here. So they need to work on their communication and chemistry na kanila pa pinopoint out dito ni Coach JP. And as we can see right now, this is their ball possession. Still no good on that side ng ACLC-THINK Pro. 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Grabata, dire-diretso. Napakagandang puntos para dito kay Grabata. And USI Falcons pinangahawakan pa rin yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Now, another opportunity for ACLC. Basagre. But he whistled foul here. So, shout out muna sa ating mga sponsors here. Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Mary's Coffee, Mangkok's Kinalas, Nixie Shop, and VDC Massage and Spa. Also, shout out din sa iba nating sponsors. We have Bunny and Peak Distributors, Machichchu Boneless Fried Chicken, Crown Pork, Crown Hotel, and Lemon Residences. Maraming salamat po. And the time I was called sa side ng USI Falcons, and this is a good thing sa side ng Falcons kasi kahit andyan na yung malaking kalamangan na pinangahawakan nila, talagang andun pa rin yung kanilang determinasyon na tapusin yung laban against ACLC-THINK Pro, na lumaban sila. Hindi sila nagpakampante doon sa puntos na hawak-hawak nila.
Now, 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Titingnan natin kung paano dito i-maintain ng ating USI Falcons yung kanilang momentum after this time out na pinatawag nila. So, napakagandang effort yung nakita natin on the side of the USI Falcons with kahit na wala yung kanilang head coach, Coach Tupe. Nakita naman natin na maganda yung performance na binitawan nitong ating USI Falcons. Also courtesy of Coach Paps. Ayan, napakagandang performance. Talagang they still kept playing on the system na kanilang dineploy or kanilang sinet. And this time, matatawagan dito ng foul, jersey number 8 of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. That is Suarez. And Mira Bueno getting his first attempt.
And magandang regalo din to para kay Coach Tupe kasi kahit wala siya ngayon sa laban ng USI Falcons, merong good news silang may bibigay kay Coach Tupe. Talagang mas pag-iigihan pa nila yung kanilang mga susunod na laro. So USI Falcons, isa sa mga team to look after because this team, dark horse during that collegiate league na last nilang sinalihan, and now looking at their performance here in Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, still they are giving us a good match-up here. So exciting yung mga susunod nating laban, exciting yung mga susunod nating matches. So talagang yung mga fans ng kanya-kanyang kupunan talagang ready para sa mga mapupunood nila matches ngayong araw at sa mga susunod pang Sabado. Now, ACLC-THINK Pro, Pun, no good. Na nagkakaagawan dito sa rebound. Sumadsad, heavily guarded, but a traveling violation. A good defense for ACLC. That ball will stay sa side ng THINK Pro. But a timeout was called here with 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. 80-57, 23-point lead of USI Falcons. At ngayon nga, mahirap para dito sa ACLC-THINK Pro na pagtrabahuhan pa yung natitirang kalamangan ng USI Falcons. Kasi yung laro dito ng USI Falcons, talagang consistent sila eh. Simula first quarter kung ano yung ipinakita nila, up until this last quarter, ito pa rin yung ipinapakita nila. So it's a great thing that USI Falcons never loses the determination to really fight and get this win against ACLC-THINK Pro. Kaya naman,
Now, let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks after their timeout. Since malaki pa rin yung puntos na kailangan nilang habulin dito with Vargas on the outside. Didiretso Vargas almost losing the ball. Vargas. Now, Suarez to Pasagre. Diretso. Mauubusan dyan ng oras. 14 shot clock expired. And now, Carmelo Grabata magdadala ngayon ng bola for the USI Falcons. Now lock. Back to Grabata. And we're on the midway of our fourth and final quarter. Matatawagan dyan ng traveling violation ng ating USI Falcons. And traveling is more fun with Naga yun. Travel and Tour. Siyempre, maraming salamat pa rin po sa ating magigiting na sponsors. Now, ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks, Arroyo. Let's see. Didiretso ngayon to Pun on the outside. Pun now, Basagre back to Pun. Fires for 3. Almost getting that triple. In and out ball for Pun. And a turnover here on the side of the THINK Pro Hawks.
Now, Basagre, yung inaabangan natin na talagang mag-step up for ACLC-THINK Pro, bumawi doon sa kanilang opensa. But still, he is quiet since first quarter of this matchup. But Pun was there to really build a point conversion for ACLC-THINK Pro. But it is not enough. So the rest of the players of ACLC-THINK Pro, veterans or even students, they need to step up. Kasi talagang hindi pa sila nakakatikim ng panalo dito since the start of OBL Elavil Cup. So by this time, they need to have the urge to get a win, have a tight defense and a good offense. And by saying that, a three-pointer coming from Vargas, brought to us by GILMAR CASA de Descanso.
Now, 3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Napatawag pa nga dito ng timeout itong ating USI Falcons courtesy of Coach Joffrey, Coach Paps. Ayan, magandang performance din yung pinakita ngayon sa atin ng USI Falcons kahit na ayun nga wala si Coach Tupe, their head coach for this match. But look, 22 big points yung hawak nila kontra dito sa ating ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks, and a big salute then for the THINK Pro Hawks dahil hindi rin sila basta-bastang nagpabaya dito sa ating USI Falcons. Talagang nakipaglaban pa rin sila but yung kanilang offense and defense this time is kulang pa for the USI Falcons. So we'll see dun sa gagawin nilang bawi for the 3 minutes and 36 seconds remaining ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now, THINK Pro Hawks.
And also, Jasper, wala din dito yung ating duo of USI Falcons, Doloso and Asibor. But still, the players of USI Falcons dire-diretso sa pagbibigay ng magandang puntos, and Vargas one more time giving us a good three-pointer, brought to you by GILMAR CASA de Descanso. So Vargas yung talagang nag-step up for ACLC-THINK Pro right now, 82-63, and Falcons with 17 seconds to shoot here.
Now, Baidal to jersey number 33. Baita, no good on that three-pointer. But here comes jersey number 30, Rempilio, for the THINK Pro Hawks. Vargas once again, almost getting that three-pointer. Pangatlong 3 points niya na sana yun 10 kung nakuha niya yon. But this time, lock for the USI Falcons. Now, Baita, well-guarded Baita. Now, lock for 3. No good on that shot. Rempili with that defensive rebound, waiting for his teammates, and out of bounds as the USI Falcons will take that ball possession. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 19 big points yung hawak dito ng ating USI Falcons. Dagdagan pa yan ng dalawa by jersey number 1 Baidal of the Falcons.
Yes, sir. Now, with this remaining minutes, ACLC-THINK Pro still fighting. Pun, babawi, no good. Offensive rebound. Vargas one more time denied here by Lok. At ngayon, yung ating ACLC-THINK Pro dito, talagang still fighting up until this quarter. But USI Falcons, maganda pa rin yung kanilang pinapakita nila dito. Despite having that big gap against ACLC, they are still working, hanging on with their defense. Na ito nga yung sinasabi dito ni Coach Pops na kahit malaki yung kalamangan na hawak nila, no room for complacency at all. So they are really doing their job. They are playing like it's their last time. And it's a good characteristic of Falcons. Dahil talagang hanggang ngayon, dala-dala nila yung ganoong pag-iisip. And that's important for every team.
And we're down to the last 2 minutes of our fourth and final quarter. Malapit na nating malaman din kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng panalo for our second game this Saturday. Now, Rempilio of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks to Tolosa. Now, underneath, what a shot for Vargas of the ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks. What an effort din for the THINK Pro Hawks dito, no? Kasi napakagandang performance rin yung pinakita nila. But 3 points coming from Nash Sumadzad of the USI Falcons. What a shot. And that 3-point is brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, the DESCANSO. Now, Tolosa. Let's see. To Vargas. Vargas playing a good role here for the THINK Pro Hawks. Walang sablay. And hits his 4th point na ata na pabalik-balik 10 dito sa ating hardcourt. What a shot din for Vargas. And now, a traveling violation for the USI Falcons. Syempre, hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Naga yun. Travel and Tours. 50 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Now, Rempilio to Tolosa. Back to Vargas. Firing for 3. Grabe. Maganda rin yung efficiency nitong si Vargas dito sa loob talaga ng hardcourt. Kitang-kita naman natin, Tin. Muntik pang makapasok yung tres niya doon. But an easy points coming from jersey number 30. What a shot tayo dito. And 10 seconds remaining for this ball game. Makikita naman natin na nag-shake hands na yung ating mga players dito sa harap ng table. And that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. 87-71. A big point lead of the USI Falcons. Congratulations. And also to ACLC-THINK Pro Hawks for having or for giving us a good game. Don't go away because we'll be right back to know who is the best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Si Pia yan.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ladies and gentlemen, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game from Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons, and it's jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor, with 24 big points, 2 assists, and 1 steal. Hatid sa atin yan ng Berg Box, Burger, and a box. Now, Jolark, congratulations sa pagkapanalo nyo this time for your second win this season. And now napansin namin na wala nga si Coach Tupe, the head coach of the USA Falcons. Kayo, paano nyo napanatili yung composure nyo as a team na kahit wala yung guidance ni Coach Tupe?
So yan, kahit wala po yung kahit wala yung head coach namin, si coach, yun, kasama naman po namin si Coach Pops na kung saan di niya kami pinabayaan. Then si Coach Tupe, from time to time po, nire-remind niya pa din kami kahit nasa malayo siya, nasa trabaho. Then yun, tiwala po kasi kami kay Coach Pops na di niya kami papabayaan.
Ayun, and isa pa nga na napansin namin is yung chemistry nyo ni Doloso. Napaka-commendable nung effort yung dalawa. Now, ano pa yung kailangan naming abangan for the USA Falcons sa mga susunod na laban nyo?
So yan, abangan nyo po na mas lalong pag-iigihan namin, lalong-lalo na sisimulan namin sa training para pagdating namin dito, makikita yun yung kung paano maglaro ang USI Falcons. Yun po.
Alright, so now I am giving you the floor to shoutout sa lahat ng sumuporta sa inyo.
Yun. Thank you po kay Lord sa panalo ulit. Sana po magtuloy-tuloy. And thank you din po sa USI community, kila Coach Tupe. Shoutout kay Coach Tupe. Sana may pasalubong ka pag uwi mo. And sa mga kay Coach Pops, kay Boss, kay Sir Dwight, sa mga teammates ko. Yan, shoutout din po sa family ko, sa fiancé ko. And yan po.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, our best player of the game. Once again, jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor, brought to us by Berg Box. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3, Jolark Asibor. At napakagandang performance na naman po ulit ang ipinakita sa atin ng USI Falcons. Kaya kaabang-abang po ang ating next game. It is Safe Chess Star Masters versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Again, I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat din sa ating courtside girlies. We have Zai and Casey na nakasama natin on the courtside. Once again, this is Oragon Basketball League, the Elavil Cup, of course brought to us by Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Oragon. Ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran. At respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!